Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue voice control is not working or Google Assistant is not working. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings. Select the settings icon. Select device preferences. Go down, select Google Assistant. See here Google Assistant is off. So that is a reason. If Google Assistant is off, then voice control won't work. So we have to turn on this. Let me turn on Google Assistant. Just press select button or OK button on the remote, then select continue, select yes, select allow, select continue, select yes, done. See, now Google Assistant is on. So this way we can fix voice control is not working or Google Assistant is not working issue. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.